Wait, don't delete the photos. What if you could just reshot it? Today I'm showing you how to use Fotor Reshot, one of the most powerful tools in AI photo editing, to fix bad lighting, messy backgrounds, and awkward angles in seconds. This isn't just AI photo enhance. This is like pressing the shutter again. First, go to the Fotor Reshot page. Upload a photo you almost deleted, then click Reshot. In seconds, the AI photo enhance and restore process rebuilds your image. Lighting looks better, the background is cleaner, and your subject stands out naturally. This is real AI photo restore, not just filters. Download your photo, and you're done. That once-in-a-lifetime trip, fixed. Moments you can't redo, saved. Your outfit was a 10. Now your photo is 2. Don't delete your memories. Give them a second heartbeat with Fotor Reshot. Link is in the description. Thanks for watching.